Hi guys, it's Olivia again, and today I have a video that will answer to many questions for beginners. For example, where to start, or can you recommend me something I can start right now? So next time if anyone asks you questions like these, you can surely send them my video. So intrigued? Then let's get started. Okay guys, we are already on the platform. Now we just need to find a suitable currency pair and we will get started. So our first scenario is a 1 minute trade on the rise, and here is what we need to look for with this strategy. We catch moments when both super trend indicates an upward and our stochastic is outside its peak zones, meaning it's in the middle moving upwards, suggesting buyers are dominant. Its opinion aligns with the super trend, making it a good entry signal, I think. So with this strategy, we don't catch reversals, but rather existing already formed movements. So if we leave the super trend on its standard settings unchanged in the stochastic oscillator, we need to adjust one period to 12 and set the moving average type to EMA. And with these signals, we trade and earn. We see the first trade for $500 just closed in profit. And now let's look for another scenario. By the way, guys, between these two trades, I want to remind you that links to the platform and my Telegram channel are in the description. So in my Telegram channel, you will find useful information and also a chance to become VIP. So let's get started. Okay guys, here is a good setup, and I'm opening a 1 minute trade right as the super trend signal appears. We had 3 confident candles and the price is likely to keep rising. So 1 minute on the rise seems like a great choice here, I think. We won't trade long today because we can see profitability dropping on currency pairs, and here aren't many signals on the chart right now, so we'll just cover a couple of moments and call it a day. So still the market doesn't want us lingering today, but that won't stop us from making an informative video for you. So while I was saying that, our trade is already nearing its end, so the situation is a bit tense, but the trade closes in profit. And we will move to the next pair since we see what's happening. The market's pretty jittery right now, and even on this nervous market, we can snag trades if we enter on time. Okay, here is our third trade, and I'm entering a 1 minute trade on the decline. So we see a fresh super trend signal, and our stochastic is also dropping sharply, nearing its boundary, indicating that sellers currently dominate this currency pair. So all that's left is to wait for the trade to end. Okay. Overall, these indicators are solid enough to use separately, but keeping them together is like more reliable because it allows for calmer trading and filters out a lot of market noise. Okay, that's why I recommend using them together, and our third trade on the decline is about to close in profit. And yes, the trade closes in profit, so we have closed 3 trades in profit during this video. And with that, I think we can wrap up here because honestly, profitability is very low, unfortunately, but okay. And right before your eyes, 3 trades closed in profit, guys. Okay, each brought us $460, which I think is a good result. So if you have any questions, then drop them in the comments or check my Telegram channel and send me a message. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next time.